In this video, I'm going to show you how we can make a logo for your Instagram account. Now for this, you don't need to be an expert or whatsoever. This is for beginners and it will actually be very easy. All you need to do is go to a website called Canva. Now next up, you want to click on Create a Design at the top right corner. Click on Custom Dimensions right there and then type in 1440, and then by 1440 so that you will get a square. Now once you click on create, it's gonna create a design project for you and you can start creating your logo. Now what I like to do, I simply like to go on to templates on Canva and then you can type in Instagram, for example. You'll then see all of these templates, but that's not what you want to do. You want to search for a logo and then click right here on logo. Now once you do that, you'll find all of these different templates and you can customize all of these. So I'll just scroll down and show you that there are indeed like hundreds of templates that you can potentially use for your Instagram logo. Now you can go all the way down and then you'll find all of these. So all you need to do basically is find a template that you like that fits your brand or your personality, and then all you need to do is click on it. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to click on this one, which looks pretty cool. Let's say that I run a fitness page. This will then say total workout, which is cool. Now you can customize all of this. So let's say that I want to change the font. All you need to do is click on it. You can also change the text, by the way, but this is like pretty decent for me right now. You can like play around with this. Let's say that I want it like this and I want to use a different font. All you need to do is click right there, change the font, and there you go. Now next up, I can also change the background colors and also the color from this. Let's say that I want to use a light blue background such as this, and I want to change this vector thing, like the kind of design thing, to white, and then change this font to black. There you go. We've now customized our logo, and for a fitness page, this is pretty cool. Let's say that my Instagram account is at total workout. We then have total workout right there. We have a cool vector and a nice background, and this could then be our logo. Now you can do this with so many different templates that honestly you can always find a template that fits your page or like I said, personality, and all you need to do is just scroll through these and then find one that you like. For example, you can use this right there with these like, I don't know, like analytics vector thing, and then you can play around with the size and all of that. But yeah, that's pretty much what I would do if I were looking to create my own Instagram logo for free and fast as well. So pretty much all you need to do is go to Canva, go to templates, type in logo, find all of these different templates, and then start customizing your logo. So once again, I'll click on another one just to show you. Let's go with this one right there. You then have this vector. You can change the color, you can crop it, you can flip it, you can change the transparency right here. You can pretty much customize all of this, and once you're done with your design, let me just go back to my old design. All you need to do is click on download at the top right corner and then select the file type, click download, and then there you go. That's pretty much how you can create your Instagram logo. If you appreciate this video, leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.